Good day everyone, my name is Goshunda, which is the leader of this group 6, and then I'm now presenting about our Malaysia history questions answering system. So in this project we will create an intelligence QA system, and specifically for the Malaysian historical contents using the Malay language. So let's talk about the problem statements. So the problems that we tackle is clear, most QA system only work in English versions, but Malaysian students need to learn history in the Malay language. So there's a lack of domain-specific tools for the Malaysian history education. So we built the first specialized QA system for the Malaysian history using the Malay language with an interactive web interface. So let's move to the phase how we prepare this system. So first one is about the data collections. For data collections, we use the web crawl over the 150 Malaysian history or article covering 25 key topics like independence, Malacca Sultans, historical data that we use, Python with the Google search API, and the beautiful search engine with variants like the site.my. And furthermore, to ensure that the quality of the article that we collect is on the certain levels, so we do provide some filtering programs. So first, like we will avoid our programs to crawl those data from like the media site. So maybe as you know, the media maybe will just share something that is wrong or the unfact data or info, so that we to avoid these situations, our program have provide these kind of like solutions to ensure that most of the data was collected from those the high confidence web. And also at last we have do some manual filtering to ensure that the all of the articles collect from by using the program is ready to pre-process on the next step. So let's move to the data pre-processing. It was very crucial for the Malay text. We use the UTF-8 encoding, remove the HTML tag and links, eliminates the Malay stop word like the dan and yang, and tokenize everything. The clean data was saved in both CSV and JSON formats to ensure that compatibilities with our machine learning pipeline and the web development. So about the model training, we use transfer learning with the XLM Roboter Large Square Tool, a multi-language model that supports Malay. We chunk long text into the 120 characters with 400 characters overlap to handle the document boundary properly. The model was fine-tuned for the extractive questions answering and test across a 115 historical article. That's all for me, and now I pass to Chen Hua to continue to presenting about the others phase.
Hi, my name is Ku Jian Hua, and in our project, we deployed using the Streamlit to create a user-friendly web interface. User can type a Malay question like Siapakah Perdana Menteri Pertama Malaysia and get the instant highlighted answers. So the interface include the sample question to guide the user and show the processing status for the better user experience. Okay, so for the next is result. Okay, so in our project, our system successfully answered the complex Malaysian history queries with high confidence. So it processes over 100 history documents covering the independence, political leaders, and the cultural events. So the answers are contextually accurate and extracted directly from our career historical corpus. Okay, so for the future words enhancement included the expanding to more topics, adding the speech to text, and also the mobile development. So in our conclusion, we have created the first Malay language historical QA system, demonstrating with multilingual NLP can preserve the cultural knowledge and support education. And this tool is ready for classroom use. So that's all for my presentation, and I will pass to the next presenter, Yang, to continue the demonstration.
My name is Xi Yang, so I'll be sharing how to run our program. So first we need to open up the Anaconda prompt. And for the first step, usually we need to install using pip install Streamlit. Since my laptop has already installed it, so I will not demonstrate that part. So now we'll need to go to the folder that we save our app.py. So here copy as path. So now we see that we are in that directory. So now we use the command stream. Then it will open up a localhost, a Streamlit localhost, and now we need to wait for it. And now it shows that running log model, so give it some time. And now here it completely run out the system. So this is our user interface for the QA system. So user can enter their question in Malay here. So here I've prepared some sample question here. So you can just copy and paste and click get answer. And the program will start processing, and there will be a prompt saying processing, please wait. So we need to take some time to wait for the answer. And when the answer is out, it will be prompt here saying answer. So the reason why Melaka menjadi pusat perdagangan yang penting di Asia Tenggara is the kedudukannya yang strategic. So that's all for our program. Thank you.